You know, Nintendo might start making a logo out of that. They'll come and take me down. Okay, I'll get that. I'll accept it.
We will hold battle position. We have shot down the enemy. We will see. We have obtained.
Oh, it's ammo. You know, it wasn't.
You made it through the trap. Well done. It wasn't just luck that let you defeat Tempest.
Why do you do such terrible things?
I don't know. If you kill me, I'll lose control over the raptors. Wanna try?
But I grew up playing Zelda, and I only like started to pay attention to the story when it was time to do a temple, and that's how I felt with Majora's Mask. But even being as old as I am now, and playing Majora's Mask, I still kind of get creeped out a little bit when you're at the, I think it's the stone tower, and you got to help that little girl's dad, and you got to play the song. But when he comes out and he's all like a mummy, that shit scared the crap out of me. As a kid, I'm like, and it's like, oh my god, where is it? So I did go to the right place. I just got confuzzled where to go. Damn, I'm trying to show you guys this boss fight, and I don't even know where I'm going. So, I didn't remember which path to take. Like, I think it was on the third day where the guy that stole it, you had to go and get it back as it went back on that, like that treadmill before it falls off. I screwed up that part so many times. So many times. And I'm not the guy that throws a controller down, but there was moments where I'm like, so frustrating going through all that work. But let me take my shirt off for you. Woo-wee! Everybody leave the room. I don't know if you could see that. Here. Can you see that? Anyway, just... I know. Next time I'm going to charge y'all. Call it PTSD, whatever you want, but I always think of that part and I'm like, ooh. Yeah, it was.
Damage to the surroundings increasing due to battle.
Tyrant, that's his name. Oh, shit! I don't have any ammo for... I don't want...
We will hold battle position. We have shot down the enemy. We have shot down the enemy. We will cease battle position. We have destroyed a porter.
Sorry, City.
Colony damage increasing due to battle. We have destroyed a porter. We have destroyed a porter.
I mean, if I could get it out, I would, but it's actually under my bed right there. I'll wait for you to respond first. How about that?
We have shot down.
Do I have a replica of Majora's Mask? If anything, I'll just post a picture up on the screen so it's not so ghetto. Yeah, there you go. Made me actually want to maybe do a little redemption with the points for that bad boy.
Enemy backup force is approaching our location.
I think it's dope. Really do. What are you saying, Punisher? What do I got there? Oh, I'll show you again. I actually have a couple of these. They're under my bed. Oh. Talk about in the game. You got to. Well, I keep going to the wrong area. I'm trying to find. Oh, I know where to go now. What an idiot I am. Jeebus. Get the damn program. I still love the beginning of the game. And when he turns Link into the Deku, and then of course I also like it when you're looking through the telescope and you look at the moon and he's just like just messing around, and then turns around, he's like, kiss my ass, basically. Yep, I remember where to go. So it's not simple, but the idea is fairly simple. But it's kind of like my profile picture right there, but a little different. Kind of like a whole thing, but it's actually me, not the Skull Kid. With a few extra designs in the back. Yeah, we'll talk about it. We'll figure it out. The game myself, I mean, I had my dad go to Blockbuster, rent me the N64, because we didn't have one yet. I bought Majora's Mask by Mowing Lawns, the gold one, you know, holographic and everything, still have it. And I remember just playing it until I got every mask before I went and fought Majora. And I would honestly say the couple's mask, fucking hate the process to get rid of that person, but I kind of like how much of a dick Skull Kid is when he wears the
Damage
mask.
index exceeding 50%. We have shot down the enemy. We will cease battle position. We will hold battle position. Colony damage increasing due to battle.
I just realized I do not have to fight these guys.
We are heading for the outer area of the battle
Thanks,
zone.
bud. Sorry about that. If it's anyone I don't want to have, it's y'all. We got the backing to hold it on. And the other one, it's hard to see, but it's right there. The eye is actually, the full eye actually glows. And then I got the rug. And I'm not trying to get all creepy or freaky, but it's going to be hard to see it. I know where to go. That's so stupid. It's right here. Cool, yeah.
Colony damage increasing due to battle. We have destroyed a hoarder. Damage index exceeding 75%, indicating major damage.
You gotta be careful with this guy.
We have shot down the enemy. We have obtained
Okay,
the
I'm good.
Megatron.
I just realized also
We will
I do not
cease
have
battle
to kill all
position.
these guys. I need to. fingers tingling now, don't it? Yeah, buddy. I'll hook you up. The thing is now. Shoot. Okay. Easily fixed, but damn it. Well, my idea of the logo. I mean, you're gonna probably think I'm crazy, but I'll answer the question prematurely. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Majora's Mask replicas. Like, one's really easy to get to. I'm not trying to play show off, but and thanks, you guys. Thanks
We
for
are heading
supporting.
for the outer area
Happy
of
to
the battle
support y'all
zone.
too, but still, thank you. Thank you very much. Cool. Not afraid of them complicated designs. I am. Whatever call it all you want. They're basically my fairies.
We have shot down the enemy. Enemy backup force is approaching our location. We
It
will
really
seize
is,
battle
dude.
position.
It really is. Like,
We will hold battle position.
even his laugh stuck with
We have shot down the enemy.
me. And I'm not saying this guy's level 6 now.
We have
no
shot
more.
down the enemy. We have obtained. We have obtained the program.
Nice.
We have obtained a
Now
decoy
I can go
device
fight
driver.
that guy.
What's a decoy?
It is a function which makes a temporary electronic vision of Jehuti. It
When
enables us
I
to
saw
escape from
Fierce
many
Deity,
enemies
I
using
was like,
sensors.
That means we can escape from
oh my
that giant
god.
enemy we
And
saw?
when I finally
not certain,
was
but we may
able to
be
get. Alright, let's get this done. How long have I been jamming? Oh, shoot. I probably don't have too much longer to stream. It's supposed to be a short stream. Honestly, we have 2 things going. Whatever works. Where the... Did I go back to the same place? Are you serious? I don't even remember where. Cheese and rice, man. For example, a lot of Norse designs. Yeah, those could be tricky. Very tricky. I do like your design paint for your logo. It's very cool. Little jelly applesauce, honestly. And as an added bonus, you hooked me up. I'll throw in one of these. That bitch. Every other mask, no problem. Couples mask. I'm about ready to shut this game off and take a break. Yep. OCD coming into play. Coming in clutch. And, you know, internet, well, I didn't have access to the internet, but walkthroughs weren't really a big thing.
We have shot down.
But yeah, I love Majora's Mask, and I love the Skull Kid. I kind of like... feel like I have a connection to that character so much. I was always a loner, yada yada yada.
We
I
have
had
shot
these
down
two
the enemy.
friends
We
that were
will
just
cease
like
battle position.
OGs.
Colony damage increasing due to battle. We will hold battle position.
So you can make fun of it.
We have destroyed a porter.
Over there. I'll take these guys out.
We will hold battle position.
Alright, forgive me, I may sound like an idiot, but MM replica? I'm not familiar. MM, tell me, please tell me. But I'll show you. And it goes on like this. How many ammo to do it? I got a jet real quick.